Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is basically how to make this DIY clip-in fringe from start to finish. Also for those that want a very scanty fringe, this video is basically what you've been needing. So yeah, I just wanted something different, so I felt I should just give it some highlights. So I used the brown and then I used the gold color. So yeah, I'm basically gonna be ventilating, like going in a straight line like so yeah, this is just so that you can create that natural hairline. So yeah, and also it's also recommended that you do this, go in a straight line like twice, so that you can be able to have enough to cover when sewing the webs. So yeah, just keep on watching. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. And if you haven't subscribed, do make sure to subscribe. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video from start to finish to the end. And yeah, if you have any questions, do make sure to leave a message in the comment section and I'll be just right at the corner to answer them all. So yeah, just keep on watching. So right after ventilating the straight line twice or more, you're just gonna flip it to the other side. I just thought I should take this out from the mannequin so that I can be able to sew this properly. So I'm placing the webs on top, and that's underneath the part that I've already ventilated, and then I'm just going by sewing it all the way through. Now this is the first weft that I'm actually adding. So yeah, I just want to make sure that you sew that very neatly. You can also use your sewing machine to actually sew this. I just felt I should use a hand sewing method, otherwise I've used my sewing machine. This is just for those that don't have a sewing machine, so that they can be able to know how to go about this in accord. So yeah guys, just keep on watching. So right after sewing the first weft, you can see how it is already looking like. So I'm just going to flip the first weft to the other side along with the ventilated part, and I'm going to place my second weft to the underneath the first weft, just so I can sew it. So yeah, we're basically just using, for this tutorial I just used only 2 tracks. If you want it more than that, that is totally fine. That is basically your choice, but for I'm basically just using just 2 tracks for those that want the scanty fringe kind of look. So yeah, that is just basically. So right after folding the lace net to the other part, you want to make sure that you sew that securely. This is just so that you can be able to put our clip in, and then it would, be placed properly. So after cutting the fringe in a cord, the next is to cut out the excess nets underneath it, just so that it would not start showing. Yeah, so afterwards we're going to go ahead to straighten this properly. So now I'm just gonna spray my hold spray on top of this on this clipping fringe. This is just so that my clipping fringe can come out really nice and well curved. So yeah, please ignore my straightener looking old already. Ignore it, please. Just focus on the fringe. So yeah, after doing that, you just want to make sure that you tongue this properly. And yeah, this is our clipping fringe looking nice already. Very simple, very easy to do, like very easy. So if you actually want to do this and sell, you want to make a fortune out of this, it is advised that you use a sewing machine to sew it instead of using your hand. Or if you're sure that your hand sewing method is going to be very neat, then that's totally fine. You can just go ahead. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys found this video very helpful, and yeah, thank you guys for watching to this extent, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.